But I'm headed down to, at least the plan is, to go to Oklahoma, whereas we're going to be in 3 states at once, if people ever get going. A half a mile I do, huh? I take the first right. Oh, I was still in Kansas. Okay, now I'm leaving Kansas, and I'm now in Missouri. It just told me, welcome to Missouri. Where does it want me to turn? Here? I think. Is it, where, huh? I think it's this way. Let's see. It's saying to go. Oh, it's got to be around here somewhere. Am I still recording? Yeah. If I would have known this, I probably would have walked. Okay, guys, the camera died as I was coming down the road, which my pants are falling down. You can see the end of the road where I turned down here. This is the tri-state area. Well, for us. I've already gotten pictures. I've been here for a little while. That's my vape, my gloves sitting there. But let's come over here onto this plaque, and you guys can see we're in 3 states at once. Kansas was established January 20th, 1861. Missouri was August 10th, 1821. Oklahoma was November 16th, 1907. And over here it tells you, see, okay, I gotta lift my visor, it's fogging. 3-state corner: Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri. This point was established in 1857 by an 800-member expedition starting at the southwest corner of Missouri and working north. The party included soldiers, teamsters, cooks, astronomers, and surveyors. The expedition took nearly 6 months, being hampered by rough terrain, heavy timber, and high water. The stone marker was built by the National Youth Administration in 1938. The original plaque read Missouri 1821, Oklahoma 1907, and South Kansas 1861. On north and west side of the description of way and how the point was established. So yeah, there's 3 states all in one, right here. You can see a highway going by out there. People don't even realize they're crossing through. Well, I mean, let's see. If I'm facing, no, I'm not facing north. That's north. So yeah, they're driving right through 3 states and don't even realize it. But this is the actual official marker. I don't know what this tower deal is for, but it's kind of cool. It sucks. It looks like there used to be plaques on it, but over time they've disappeared, whether it's people stealing them or them wearing away. There's one right there. AD 1938 National Youth Administration Work Project. Okay, so they built this in 1938, which that's a long time ago. That's almost 100 years. It may not seem like it, but this is 2020. Excuse me. In 18 years, this is going to be 100 years old. Okay. And see, there used to be a plaque here, it looks like. People have written all over this thing, which is horrible. It's a piece of history. I mean, I understand you want to mark that you've been here, but I mean, it's a piece of history. Don't do that, people. I mean, I could have brought some stickers and stuck one of my stickers to it, but it's a piece of history. You may not think it, you know, when you're younger, you might look at this and just think, oh, it's kind of cool. It's a big stone tower that looks out of place in the middle of BFE. But it's a piece of history. I mean, people are writing their names on it. And while I could see that wearing off over time, but like the silver one up here, that's a paint marker. It looks like it says 2017. There's a 2019, and that thing's fresh as could be. It's just why. There's a 2018. People were out here the other day. There was a car when I pulled up, but they weren't. It didn't look like they were writing anything on it. But yeah, I mean, don't do this to things, to people. I mean, it's history. It's a landmark, and it is a piece of history. You might not realize it's there. You might not understand its significance. But when you see something old like this, don't destroy it. Don't hurt it. Leave it be and admire it. That's how things are going to last. I mean, look at the ancient Egyptians. The pyramids, how long have they been standing? Thousands of years. Yeah, people stole stones off of them and that, but, and I haven't personally been there, it'd be cool, but I hate going places like this and seeing stuff like this that's just, people are destroying it. They're writing all over it and that. What would you think if today you or your kids were to build something like this, and then you were able to live long enough to see it to this point? Like, there's a chance that the kids that helped build this are still alive. I mean, they'd be really old, but they could still be alive. How do you think they would feel coming if they came here and saw all this writing on something they worked so hard to put together? And they see this, because people just don't respect history, and they don't respect it. Those who forget history are doomed to repeat it. I mean, it just irritates me. I'm sorry. But yeah, 3 states at once, people. 3 states at once. It's just kind of cool. I've been wanting to do this for a while. Finally did. I have no idea how long this is actually going to be, because I'm going to cut out probably 99% of the ride here, because it took like an hour. But we're here.